weekend. The first weekend in a while in which I haven't played cricket, with the season having come to an end, and therefore, for the first time in a while, I can actually move on a Monday morning, which feels absolutely fantastic, I can assure you. And I'm afraid that's all just part and parcel of getting old, but there we go. We have a special assembly for you this morning. If we rewind to last week, we invited Year 6 boys to record a pitch for House Captain and House Vice Captain. And I'm delighted that so many Year 6 boys took the time and made the effort to record a speech which was delivered to the House and listened to by all boys in years 4, 5 and 6 before we entered into a democratic vote for our House Captains and our Vice Captains. So the first and possibly most important thing to say this morning is well done to all those Year 6 boys who took part in the elections, who put themselves out and made a bid to become captain or vice captain of their house. So all those boys, for making that effort, you will all get a contribution sticker as you work your way up through the school and towards becoming a monitor or a prefect. And so, at the tail end of last week, the boys, as I say, years 4, 5 and 6, were separated off, staying in their bubbles, into their various houses to listen to what the candidates had to say. And some of the pitches were mighty, mighty impressive indeed. We did have to just point one or two of them in the direction of the Bribery Commission, as more than generous offers were made, but by and large the pitches were very, very sensible and, as one can imagine, full of gusto and the good of the house and how the house was going to be led through the course of this academic year. And I speak personally as a former head captain of the Persian House in 1983-84. It is an honour and indeed a privilege to be house captain and comes with a significant amount of responsibility. I guess chief amongst that is being fair to everyone in the house, in how you lead that house, and making sure that you are working for the house and not for yourselves. So without further ado, the voting has taken place and the results are in. I can tell you that there were more than 1 or 2 recounts to make sure that we had got this absolutely right. And the results are as follows. Congratulations in the Persian House, Vice Captain Ravi, well done to you, and the Persian House Captain for this academic year, Jensen. Many, many congratulations. Your badges are on their way. The Trojans, Vice Captain, and this one was a close one. Vice Captain for this academic year, Sebastian, and House Captain of the Trojans for this academic year, congratulations to you. And the Spartans, which was the tightest contest of all. We had a winner in the vote, but we had a tie for second place and the role of vice captain. And so, in the spirit of being absolutely fair to one and all, the Spartans this year will in fact have joint vice captains. And the joint vice captains of the Spartans will be Otis and Daniel, leaving in pole position and captain of the Spartans for this academic year. Congratulations and well done to Ishmael. I'm sure all those boys who are elected will lead their houses with passion and, above all else, fairness and in the spirit of sportsmanship, whether that be on the field of play, should we ever get back onto the field of play, or in any other facets of carrying out house duties and house activities. Congratulations to you all. Your badges will be distributed during the course of today, and very well done to everyone else who took part in the democratic process.